Okay guys, it's my first time like filming up and down, but today I'll be showing you guys how to make an arrow out of this toy or fidget toy if you guys have one. And I mean like an arrow that points both ways. But yeah. So I might know how to make an arrow that points both ways. But first things first, make a rectangle that has 3 going up and down like that. Then you're gonna take the middle part and the top part and just bring the top down, and then you should hear that click noise. So then it should look like that. Now you're gonna take the middle part, and you're going to push it and make it go like that. Now you're going to take the middle and you are going to press it down and make a house. Now you are going to take the next. You're going to take this part right here and just bend it backwards like that. And then do the same on the other side. And then take this and press it inward. It's really complicated to make. Sometimes you need to redo it because the arrows won't go right. But after you guys watch this video and you get the arrows completely good and right, you should be perfectly fine. He said, oopsies. So like I said, once you make the shape, you just take one by one and press it in. I can literally never do it and make the arrows completely good and right, but I tried. So this is basically what it will look like if you mess up. That is the steps to make like an arrow kind of pointing both ways. It's complicated to make it completely right to where the arrows will not, But if you have 24 of this fidget toy, I forgot what it's called, or 24 pieces of this fidget toy, then you should be able to do it. Because this is the amount I have and the amount my friend has too. So, yeah. Now we're just going to take that and take the bottom. Nope. I already messed it up. Okay, well, yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.